Which software are best for graphic designers? I will tell you about 5 Adobe software which are mostly used by graphic designers on professional level. Adobe Photoshop, purposely image editing and manipulation, photo retouching and graphic design. Key features, layers, masks, filters, and a wide range of tools for photo editing and digital artwork. Adobe Illustrator, purpose graphics creation and editing, scalable vector graphics CSSG, precision drawing tools, and the ability to create logos, illustrations, and other vector-based designs. Adobe InDesign, a purposely hour and page design for print and digital media, such as page layout, typography, and tools for creating publications such as brochures, magazines, and ebooks. Adobexd, user experience and user interface, one designed for web and mobile applications, prototyping, wireframing, and collaboration tools for designing and testing interactive experiences. Adobe After Effects, purposely motion graphics and visual effects for video and film production, animation, compositing, and special effects to enhance video projects. These Adobe software applications can be used individually or together, depending on the specific requirements of a graphic design project. Thanks for watching. Subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon for more interesting and informative videos.